As a real estate professional, perhaps you've considered expanding into or growing your existing small-cap commercial business. But how? It's complicated and time-consuming. What if you could use the same tool developers and bankers use to quickly vet the asking price and financing thresholds of a commercial property before proceeding with the transaction? Meet Commercial Loan Success. CLS is a proprietary, time-tested loan analysis tool used to successfully vet millions of dollars of commercial real estate transactions, now available to real estate professionals for the first time as cloud-based software. With CLS, you privately enter an income property's performance numbers into this comprehensive but user-friendly interface. Whether for an apartment, mixed-use, or pure commercial property, it's screened in minutes, revealing a realistic loan amount and price range. The CLS Go meter assesses the impact of the data. If the meter says stop, the software instantly identifies the issue holding back the transaction. If it's a go, the software generates our CLS One Sheet, equipping your client to communicate effectively with their preferred commercial lender and get the financing discussion started. Take control of any commercial purchase, listing, or financing discussion instantly. Quickly evaluate a commercial property and prepare a fair offer based on lender-style analytics, or refer with confidence. No more guessing or wasting time listing for unrealistic commercial sellers. See why realtors, buyers, sellers, developers, and commercial bankers alike are raving about CLS. Save time and jump ahead of the competition. Get CLS today.